wars today. We have every day another conflict emerging, and we need women and their strength to show the path to peace.
There were times when we would say that women should be part of higher peace-making processes, but this is the time to say that women must be part of this and to have proactive impact, to be proactive rather than reactive, for sustainable peace, of course.
The real truth is that women and non-violent men on the ground, we don't want war. Every day we are building peace, and yet we are ignored. So we have to make sure that it's that work which is valued and taken forward.
Zato je važno i veće učešće žena i u mirovnim misijama, i u pregovorima, i u medijacijama, jer žene su obazrivije. Žene stavljaju dobrobit društva ispred svog ega.
These wars are fought on the backs and bodies of women, and they are solved and resolved, and society is rewoven together by the hands and the hearts of women.